Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to test TCP node in Node RAID. I use NetAssist simulator to do this job. Also, I build the dashboard in Node RAID to visualize their data in real time. Look like this. For example, we can see number 5678. Okay, here. So let's start how to do this job. First, we go to here's network group node. We choose TCP name. Then we choose command debug. Okay, this one TCP debug. Also, we use this software NetAssist. We open NetAssist. NetAssist you can download. Go to his website. I show you his website, NetAssist. Here's his website, his Chinese. Okay, here is you can download NetAssist 5.0.10. Okay, you download. So now we should configure it. We open this one. Now we should know NetAssist simulator is the server, TCP server. So it's not the TCP client. Okay, client and the server. Similar is Modbus, RTU, master and slave. Here is the supplied, is the data, is the server, is the watch, and the get is the data. Is for example PLC is the client. Okay, you should remember this one. So TCP open, we just the connection. Here how type listen and connect. I just connect. Is port is A080 is host 192.168.101. This is the host number and the port should be the match this one. Okay, here 192.168.01. You can change here, doesn't matter. Change 127, anything you can change, just the match. Okay, now we go to here. We should choose node status. Okay, now deploy. Here notice. Now we testing. First we use simple 1 2 3 4 is use send option is ask, is receive option is ask. Okay, 1 2 3 4 send. Here here's 1 2 3 4 is ask, but here is decimal. Okay, here is decimal 49 51 51 52. Let me see. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. His ask is 31 33 34. In here is ask. Here is ask hex. Okay, sorry. There is hex number 31 32 33 34. This one decimal. Okay, let me see. One, two, three, four. No, here's the decimal. 49, 50, 51, 52. Okay. In here, 49 is a decimal number. In here is send as ASCII number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we can see here 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 52, 53, 54, 55. This one is the decimal number. This ASCII number 4 is 52. 5 is 53. 6, 54. Is the 7, 55. Let me see. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Look, 52, 53, 54. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7 is hex numbers 35, 34, 36, 37. Here 35, 36, 37. Let me see. Look, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, sorry, it's the wrong way. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. 34, 35, 36, 37. This hex number. Okay. Now we can change it. Hex number receive or always hex number with this one. It's the hex number in here 35, 34, 36. Okay. This one hex number. Because this ASCII number here 4, 5, 6, 7 this hex number, but this one number look like this. So in here we often send is ASCII number. Okay, 4, 5, 2, 1. 4, 5, 2, 51, 52, 50 is this number. Okay, here is 34, 31, 32, 33 this hex number. That's it. Okay, now we use dashboard. We go to gauge, put here connection, double click, we plus, add plus, click plus. It's a home. Okay, here's a home. It's a home, and here we use big number. Okay, home. So deploy is working. Here we go to dashboard. We go to here. Okay. We can try this one decimal number, always decimal number. Okay. 35, 56, 7. 35, 6, 7 is ASCII number. Here's ASCII number. So in here we can see decimal number. In here is 51, 52, 53, 54, 15, 55 with this decimal number. Here is a hex number. Okay, that's it. We can see, we can test 8976 897605 Okay, still big. A967. Here, look. Okay. 45, 30. Oh, this too small. Look. Here. That's it. Okay. TCP. Today I just show you how to use TCP simulator to testing TCP node on the display dashboard. Is exactly real time data. Okay. Thank you very much.